Whoa, the thing don't sound so good. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Lawn Sauce. I wish I could just get out there and cut my grass, but maintenance needs to be done to this Mclane reel mower. I'm going to be backlapping it today. You can follow along for the process, but if you want more information on how to backlap a Mclane reel mower, you can check out this video right up here. I'll link a card. You can click on to a tutorial on exactly how to backlap a Mclane reel mower. But anyways, let's get to it.
Longer than a few minutes later.
See that? Smoke. I tell you, man, these small drills just can't cut it for a proper grind. They just can't. They just can't do it. It isn't the best tool for the job. It isn't the best tool. These, I tell you, these little drills, they're just not the right tool for the job. Do you see that smoke coming out of that drill? This is a Makita corded drill and it's smoking. I tell you, it's not the right tool for the job, folks. Getting a bigger motor, a bigger drill is definitely the way to go. All right, man, I can finally get to mowing the grass. All right. Ah, shucks, I guess not. I gotta still rake up all the leaves. Aloha. Go for it. Ah! Stop!